Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has started rolling out quite a significant Copilot app update for Windows insiders on Windows 11 that apparently makes the AI assistant much more connected to your third-party apps. And the update adds support for third-party connectors and introduces a new document creation and export feature. Now, this is all with the Copilot app version 1.25095.161.0 and higher, where the app can now link directly to OneDrive, Outlook, Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts. And what we're looking at here, and I apologize for the image quality, that's what Microsoft has given us, unfortunately. So what we're looking at here are connectors, OneDrive file search in Copilot on Windows, using the Copilot app. Now, Microsoft says from the announcement that once connected, you can search across all these accounts using natural language. For an example, you can ask, find my school notes from last week, or another example is, what's the email address for Sarah? And Copilot apparently then will search accordingly regarding be linked to and connected to those other accounts. And something just to take note of is that the connectors feature, according to Microsoft, is opt-in. So insiders who are testing this out can enable it by heading to the Copilot app settings, connectors section, and toggling on the desired accounts. So it seems that Microsoft is trying to collate a lot more between the Microsoft and Google ecosystems with this feature update and this new move. And then next up, we get document creation and export, which can turn prompts, Microsoft says, or responses into editable files, where you can now ask Copilot to create Word documents, PowerPoint slides, or PDFs and Excel spreadsheets within the app. And Microsoft does say that longer responses also feature an export button for quick saving. Now, these two features and the app update is currently rolling out via the Microsoft Store across all Windows Insider channels and will reach, I think, the stable version in the next coming weeks. Don't think it'll take very long. These features in Copilot and other apps make their way into the stable version quite quickly. And I did post yesterday regarding a Paint update with two new features that Microsoft had introduced in Paint, which were previously available in the Insider program. I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.